Dadskillz. Today we're going to look at the GOVEE RGBIC neon rope lights. Nice box as usual, loads of info on the side there. Let's see what we got inside. So we've got the usual bump, we've got the bit of information about GOVEE there. And then we've got the user manual, which has got 8 pages of English, which is good. Now let's have a look at the rope light itself. It feels nice, it feels like a nice quality. As you can see, totally flexible, quite nice, a soft rubber finish. And then we've got the controller there, so you don't need to use the app if you haven't got it. What else do we get in our box? Alcohol wipes, screws and wall plugs, and then these mounting brackets for our rope lights. Now this light isn't cuttable, but it's 3 meters and it's IP67, so it means we can use it outside, but we don't want the controller placed outside. Really nice and flexible. Here's our bracket. Now the bracket has got a sticky strip on the back, but if that's not going to be enough, you can put your screw in there and attach it to the wall. So this strip is designed to be seen. Rope light is the actual feature, whereas your normal LED strips are designed to be placed so you can see the light that it emits rather than the actual tape itself. Okay, let's plug it in and see what it's like. So cool. As you can see from the top there, it's got a standard on and off switch. The second button down, you can press to cycle through 9 colours. And then the final button there at the bottom, that's music mode, and you can press and hold that to cycle through 6 brightness levels. Okay, let's download the app. So there we go, press plus at the top, and now we've remembered our SKU code. And we're gonna scroll down to that. There it is, our 3 meter rope light. All done by Bluetooth at the moment, and there we go, it's found it already. So we're just gonna pair it. There it is. We're gonna attach it to our Wi-Fi, and as you can see there, it's now been found by my Amazon voice assistant. It's also compatible with Google. There we go, we're just upgrading our software. All done, nice and easy. So we're in the app. There you see we've got 4 possible modes. We've got music, colour, scene and DIY. And obviously being RGBIC, we can make all the segments different colours. There's scene, that's got loads of already created scenes for you, and then DIY. So let's take a little look at the competition, and I found a couple of decent examples. This one I think is pronounced inner. Now they haven't got a 3 meter version, but they've got a 2 and a 4. It's about the same price. So the GOVEE lights we're having a look at today were $55.99 off the GOVEE website itself. And this inner product, it seems to be pretty good quality. The reviews are certainly okay. There's just someone saying that they didn't get a UK plug, but that was probably their fault. But this seems to be a quality competitor. And then the obvious one to go to next is Phillips Hue. And this one is £564. That's crazy. and that's for the back of your TV. And it doesn't even go all the way around your TV. Crazy days. This isn't exactly the same, but it's that kind of thing. And there we go. I couldn't believe the price, so I had to look at a few more bits of Phillips Hue. And there we go. It's all relatively expensive, and you need a hub as well.
Dadskillz, 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 Dadskillz.
So let me know what you use. Leave something suitably colourful in the comments below. And try this video on the screen now. I think you'll enjoy it. See you later.